Hello, and welcome to the Rehearsal Live Share Presession Check tutorial for Apple computers. This video assumes you have already completed the steps for getting started, have Rehearsal Live Share installed on your Mac, and are able to open the show which you will be using. If not, be sure to review our Getting Started page on rehearsalliveshare.com/getting-started. Now you're almost ready to either direct or participate in a live share session. However, before doing so, it's important to make sure your equipment is correctly configured in RLS. Rehearsal live share sessions are most successful when every user has confirmed a working setup in advance, so be sure to remind everyone to check out the appropriate Presession Check tutorial for their platform. Now let's get started configuring and testing our equipment on our Apple computer. First, make sure that your privacy settings are allowing RLS to utilize your camera and microphone. You can set your system to allow this when you first open the program or by going to the Security and Privacy section of System Preferences. Now let's close all applications that are open on your computer. This includes any online video conferencing applications like Zoom or Skype. If Rehearsal Live Share is open, let's close it too. It's important to confirm that all necessary devices are connected prior to launching RLS. Once RLS is closed, I'll check that my headphones, microphone, and webcam are connected. It's okay if you're using a built-in mic or camera, we're just making sure everything is connected before launching the program. Now let's open Rehearsal Live Share. When you open the program, you'll first want to check that the correct devices are selected in the Rehearsal Live Share preferences. You can find preferences in the Rehearsal Live Share menu at the top. When the Preferences window is open, the default tab is the Audio tab. Here, we can check to make sure the correct microphone device is selected, as well as the correct headphones device for sound output. Once the correct selections are made there, click on the Live Share tab. This is where the camera selection is located. You can make sure the correct camera is selected here. After your selections are made, be sure to click on OK. Clicking on the X on the upper left is the same as clicking Cancel and will disregard any selection changes you have made. Now that the correct devices are selected in Preferences, we can check that they are working properly. Let's do this in a Personal Live Share window, accessible by going to the Tools menu, selecting Live Share, then clicking Cancel in the Invite window. Now that we have a Personal Live Share window open, go into the Mixer view. Here I can confirm that my camera is working by looking at the live video feed on my channel strip, and that my microphone is working because when I speak or sing, I'm seeing some visual feedback of the sound from my mic. Let's also check that sound is coming from my headphones. To do this, I'll press play in the navigation window. At this point, you should be hearing the sound of the guide tracks to your show. You might also see some visual feedback of the sound of those tracks in the application channel. If you are not hearing sound at this point, check that the volume on your computer or interface is turned up. Now that we've confirmed our equipment on our Macintosh computer, we're ready for a live share session. That concludes our tutorial. Remember that if you run into issues with your setup, don't hesitate to contact our tech support team for assistance. You can find info on how to reach us at rehearsalliveshare.com/contact. I'm David from Real Time Music Solutions. Thanks for watching.